Boys and girls, today we are going to talk about two new terms, fact and opinion. We need to learn the difference between these two terms because pretty soon we're going to start to write an opinion writing piece. So let's look at the difference between two terms. Fact is something that can be proven to be true or false. It is something that you need to be able to prove. Opinion is something that expresses a personal feeling, belief, or idea. It's about how you feel about a certain topic. When deciding between these two terms, you will know that there are some questions to ask yourselves. First, can I prove it? Is it something that I can go onto the internet and prove? Is it something that I can prove myself? Or is it something I could read a book and figure out if it is true or false? If you can prove it, then it is a fact. The next question we want to ask ourselves is, does it explain how someone feels? Does it tell us if someone likes something? Does it talk about if something is not liked by a person? If you're talking about someone's personal feelings, then yes, that is an opinion. When deciding between these two topics, there are some key words that are going to help us. For instance, if you think it is a fact, you might have dates in this statement, numbers, science terms, historical events or events that happened in the past, or nonfiction. If any of these are in the statement, then more than likely it is a fact. Remember though, still ask yourself that question. Can it be proven? Next, when we're trying to decide if it truly is an opinion statement, these are some helpful keywords for opinions. Believe, feel, think, good, bad, never, most, always, should, and might. If these words are in the statement, then typically it's going to be an opinion. If you look down here at my picture, I have myself, then I have two pictures, one of which is something that I like. We all know that that's turtles, boys and girls, and I love turtles, but that is my opinion about turtles. Not everybody likes turtles. The other picture I have is of carrots, and I don't particularly like carrots. Some people like carrots, but I don't. These are my personal beliefs and personal opinions about turtles and carrots. Now let's practice. Number 1, the sky is blue. Let me think to myself. Can I prove that the sky is blue? Well, I could walk outside right now and look up at the sky and realize that it is blue. Since I know and I can prove that the sky is blue, this is considered a fact. Number 2, candy is yummy. We all love candy. Well, most of us do anyway. Candy is yummy to me. I think it's delicious to eat, but I can't prove that it's yummy to everyone. So therefore, since this talks about someone's personal beliefs, this would be considered an opinion. Number 3, I think everyone should play soccer. Well, it has a key word. The word think means it's talking about someone's belief. Since I see that key word, I'm pretty sure it's an opinion. Oh, I was right. Number 4, ducks can quack. Well, can I prove this? Yeah. I could go to a pond, or I could read a book, or I could look online and find a video of a duck quacking. So therefore, I can prove it. This would be considered a fact. Now, when we're doing our writing, you will notice that we can make fact statements and opinion statements about the same topic. For instance, here is an ice cream cone, and I wrote some facts and some opinions. For facts, I wrote ice cream is cold. If I touch it, it's cold. I can prove it. Ice cream can melt. Ice cream comes in many different flavors. If I go to an ice cream shop, there are many different flavors that I can see. Once again, I can prove these statements. My opinions about ice cream. Mint chocolate chip is my favorite flavor. I love mint chocolate chip. That's why I drew it in the picture. Everyone loves ice cream. Well, that's an opinion that everybody loves it. Some people might not. Chocolate tastes yucky. In my opinion, chocolate isn't my favorite flavor. So, boys and girls, let's review. Facts are statements that can be proven. Opinions are statements that express a personal belief, feeling, or idea. Always remember this, it's very important. Now it's going to be your turn. There are going to be 3 activities that we do, and then we're going to come together to take an assessment to show what we know. The first activity is our sort. You are going to cut the statements out and decide whether it's a fact or an opinion. The next part is you're going to play a review game on the computer in Schoology. I can show you how to get here. Number 3, you're going to work with Mrs. McMullen at the round table. Hopefully everyone has a good understanding of fact and opinion.